Welcome to my channel, Stacey Fowler Creations. I am Stacey Fowler. I'm so happy that you're here. If you're new, a special welcome. If you're not new, still a special welcome. I'm just happy for viewers to come to my channel. Now, if you're new, that means you have missed some of the videos on this playlist, how to teach your child to read quickly. Not to worry, I got you covered. So the link that is now being displayed on your screen, if you click on it, it will take you to the playlist so that you can view the other videos that you have missed, and then you can come back to this one. If you're not new, great job. So let's go now. I'm still at step 2, and today I'm going to talk about the 6th diagraph that I use when I'm teaching my students to learn to read. So let's get into that diagraph. And of course, that diagraph is INT. INT make the sound it. INT make the sound it. And you know it as a word, it's still it. No pun intended. So INT, it. That's the sound INT makes. So let's go. INT make the sound it. And of course, I have to always use examples with anything I tell you. So the first word I'm going to try this diagraph with is the word it itself. It's pronounced it. And you know that word. We use it a lot. Now let's look at another example. This word is the word it. It. And remember, at all time, it's neither the parent or the teacher that make the sounds. After you teach the sound of the diagraph, you will allow the child to look on your flashcard and make the sound of the letters and the diagraph that makes up the word. After the child has pronounced the word correctly, you congratulate the child and do it in a very exciting way. If you are looking for a way to build your flashcards virtually, I still have you covered on this channel. Please check the description below. You will see the link that I use to make my virtual flashcards and download them to my device. So now let's look on another example. This is the word bit. B-it. And you do get the word bit. So you can say to the child, what sound does the letter B makes? The child will say, B. Then you say, what sound does INT make? It. Now please put those sounds together and pronounce this word. And after the child gets the word correctly, you congratulate the child. And I like when you do the congratulations in an exciting way. So I will always remind you of the way that I do it. I come up with funny dances. And when I do the dances, the children will have a ball laughing away. And they will say, you look funny. I say, I know. This dance is just coming my body when I see smart children. Do you think you're smart? And the answer is always, yes, I'm smart. Then you say, okay, let's do some more. Let me see what other moves I have. And of course, when they sound no more words, then you change the dance move and you keep the excitement going. And they have fun learning and you have fun teaching. Teaching is fun. All right, let's go to another word. So this word is fit. You ask the child to make the sound of the F and then the sound that INT makes. Put the sounds together. When the child pronounces the word, the congratulations come in and make it exciting. All right. Our last word that we're going to look on with this diagraph is the word lit. The sound that the L makes, L. And you put the it sound, L, it. Lit, you get the word lit. Pretty easy, right? I told you, my steps are very easy to follow. Whether you're a parent who is looking for materials to homeschool your child, this channel is for you. Or if you're a parent who believes that your child is not performing at the level he or she should be performing with reading, then I also have you covered on this channel. I will also give information about mathematics, so you can check out my first video on how to teach your child to multiply very easily. The link is now displayed on your screen. Now let's go to my next step. My next step is when you put away the flashcard and you allow the child to spell some of the words that you had used with the diagraph. And I will always encourage you to use words that you did not include on your flashcards to test the knowledge of the child. After the child writes these words, you give very simple sentences for the child to write. These sentences are normally 3 to 4 words. Very rare I go over this number. And not to worry, and make your job extra easy when you come to this channel. So I've included all the words that I use with the diagraph, in the description below, along with sentences that I use. So if you're a teacher or a parent, I cater for you. I know as teachers that you have to do a lot of planning for your classes. I do understand as a teacher myself. So I try to make the work very easy when you come to this channel. As a parent, you're doing 2 jobs. You're doing the job of a parent. You probably have your 9 to 5 job, and now you've taken on the role to be a teacher. And that is a lot of work. So I try again to make the work very simple when you come over here. You can have fun with your child or your student and bond with them. And you can see that teaching doesn't have to be stressful. It can be a lot of fun if you know the way to bring the concept across in an easy and fun way. So I put the fun in learning. I put the fun in learning. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course, yeah, you know how I behave, my students. I'm always making up little jingles. In other videos, I share that if sometimes children will want to cry, especially when they just start out with me. So I use a little jingle. We don't cry, we try. Hey, we don't cry, we try. Hey, we don't cry, we try. Hey, and by they put their own rhythm to it. They're singing along and totally forgot that they wanted to cry. So you, as the educator or the parent who has taken on the role of an educator, can make the learning fun and no crying. They will enjoy the activities. So now let's move along to what else do I have for you today. Next is me asking a little favor from you. Apart from asking you to subscribe, I'm also asking you, I'm like begging you, and I'm going to say, please, pretty please. Okay, so I have written a fun educational fairy tale, and that book is now available on Amazon. I do need your help. I'm sharing this information with you, and I want you to help me some more by making a purchase of this book. The link is in the description below. What the book entails, it has information about letters of the alphabet, a little about noun and pronouns, and it's done in a fun way because I don't know how to do anything else when it comes on to education but put fun in it. So the children will be learning while reading this book. Okay, so please make a purchase of this book. Make sure you rate the book, and when you're done, you got to come back to this channel because I have a lot more to share. So what am I about to do now? I'm about to say to you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much for coming to my channel and for watching this video to the end. If you have found the information in this video useful or informative, then please subscribe. Click on the subscribe button, and while you're doing so, click on the bell that you may be notified when I upload new videos. Until next time, I love you. Bye bye. Mwah!